and Fever. Let's get started. Yay!
When you believe in yourself, you'll be unstoppable. Our first tips. Top 10 channels on YouTube, 7 of them are for kids. Do you believe that? Here are some of the most famous kids channels. Kids and Diana Show, and the other one, Vlad and Niki. Here's coming the first gold tricks for you. They uploaded this channel 13 times in different languages. That's why they are the winners. And the best language service, FIVERR. It's in the link in the description below. Like and dislike video quality. If you haven't got 100 subscribers yet, the quality of your videos can only go up to 360p or 480p. But what about the like and dislike? When we saw our first couple of dislikes, we were so sad. But look at the other kids. They have loads of dislikes. But did you see? They started in a normal house like us and probably you too. But they are the winners. So if they can do it, you can do it too. Do you know MrBeast? He's one of the most famous YouTubers. And he also has 6 different channels. Do you believe that? And he also made 50 million views in one day. He made a very interesting videos of likes and dislikes, and you can find it in the description below. And you don't believe what was the result. He's the most famous YouTuber, PewDiePie. And look, he only has 181 dislikes. And it was just the beginning. And look how famous he is now. And do you know how many dislikes he has in one video? 5.1 million! That's a lot of dislikes. You have to watch this video and you understand what YouTube thinks about the dislikes. 3. Remove background. And you can find all the apps and tools that we use in the description below. because we really like them. They started 11 years ago. Starting is always hard. Honestly, they are really cool. So the first step, take it action. And let's do it now. In the end, the most famous YouTuber, PewDiePie, started with no experience. And now, 108 million subscribers. And look at the views. How many numbers? I can't say that.
And don't forget, every Monday coming a new